band bent over lat pull down. It's a really great movement. You can use it just about anywhere. What we're doing is we're working on the lats, the side of your back. And what we're going to do is we're going to get into a bent over posture. So you're bent over posture. You want to make sure we stick that butt out. You tend to see deviation wise with this is we bend over more in the spine, less in the hips. So we want to make sure we're getting used to the sitting into those hips is what I like to call it. We're basically trying to push your butt back towards that wall. We're going to push that butt as close to that wall as possible and then step back from there. Now we're going to start with those arms fully extended up overhead and hinging over in these hips. We're going to keep those elbows kind of close to that body, kind of pointing out at about this direction, not straight out to the side, not out in front, but kind of out here in the middle. Okay? So push your butt back towards that wall. Arms extended up overhead. You got a little bit of tension going on in the bands from the get-go, so we're not starting with them lats. Okay? Some tension, weights on those hips, weights on those heels. You're going to pull it all the way down. You want to pull the shoulder blades down and back like you're trying to stick your scapula, your shoulder blades into your back pocket. Relax as those arms come all the way back up overhead. As you do this movement, again, from a front view, it's going to be looking like this. You want to make sure that those shoulders, they may come up overhead when those arms are extended, but we're going to pull them back down. Again, shoulder blade, back pocket. Keep that belly tight, sit into those hips. Biggest two key takeaways from this: sit into those hips, pull those shoulder blades into that back pocket. You want to follow through by finishing up with the elbows. So focus on not where those arms are pulling, but where the elbows are kind of pulling. It's a great movement, really beautiful, because basically what are we doing here? A pull-up with a band. In a much more lax setting, if you don't have the equipment for a lat pull-up, if you don't have a pull-up bar, if you don't have cable machines. So really great exercise to kind of help tweak with that. This is Coach.